Hey everybody, this is what I woke up to this morning. We have a little RV parking, spent the night camping in front of this giant castle. Huge castle on the Mediterranean coast, just a couple yards away. I slept last night. Giant, it's beautiful. And the coast is to my left over here. Can't see. They giant hills of salt. They collect and make table salt here. Aigues this place is called. It's a huge castle, and they built a little village inside of the castle grounds, and it's just picture perfect and beautiful. I can't believe I'm here. Here we go. Little village. All right. Love y'all.